Welcome students. In today's class, we will see the next point, that is nesting of member functions. As we know that when we define any functions within the open and closed curly braces of any class, then that functions are called as a member functions. We can define these member function inside the class, and we can define these member functions out of the class too. To access these member functions, we need to create the object of that specific class, and by using that object name and dot operator, we can access the member functions of any class. Here, nesting of member function means in one function definition, the another function we can call, then this concept is called as a nesting. Here, one example, and in this example we take one class. This class contains some functions, and in one of the member function we can call one another member function. It means that without using the object name and dot operator, we can call that function. So this concept is called as a nesting. So let's start. Here we take one class set, and in this set class we take two variables of integer type, variable m and n. We do not specify anything there about the visibility mode. It means that both the variables are of private visibility mode. In public visibility mode, we take three functions: void input, void display, int largest. These three functions, we do not specify the definitions of these functions here. It means that we can define these functions out of the class. Here the function or the class specification is completed. Now below it we define these functions. So the first function, that is int set largest, it means that the largest function we define here. This function is used to compare the two values of m and n, and if m is greater than n, then the m variable's value will be returned from this function, and if the value of n is largest than m, then this function will return the value of n. Next, void set. So here input function, the definition of input function is here. This function is used to take the input for m and n. In next, void set display, this function is used to display the largest number, whether it is a m or whether it is a n, that value will be displayed here. And in this display function, if you can carefully see here, in display function we use the largest. It means that in the display function definition we call the function largest here, and this concept is called as a nesting of member functions. It means that in one member function we can call the another member function, and here we do not use the object name and the dot operator. It means that within the class or within the one member function definition, we can call the another member function definition without using the object of that specific class. So this concept is called as a nesting of member functions. So the remaining programming is here int main. In main function we declare object of set class a, and by using this we can call a dot input and a dot display. See carefully, we do not use a dot largest here, because in display function definition we already call the largest function. The control is transferred towards the largest function, and at which statement that largest function we call, the result will be displayed at that line. So this is the nesting of member function. I hope all of you understand this point. If you have any doubts, so please comment me about for that. So keep watching the videos and take care. Thank you.